So it's been a week now of being completely locked out of all of my Unity projects because I apparently have too much revenue, which I absolutely do not have. And this kind of just demonstrates one of the many reasons why I've been working on building my own engine from scratch. The first game of which I have published on Steam. It's been out a couple weeks now. It's called Quadris. It's a Tetramino game. Puts a fun little twist on it where you're dealing with 4 columns simultaneously. It's only $1, so go check that out when you have a chance.